All aboard!
Hi, I'm Luke, and today we'll be opening this Thomas and Friends Wooden Railway Thomas. So let's take a look at Thomas. As you can see, Thomas has his cheerful face on the front and a magnet too. He has 3 wheels on each side, along with the number 1, a magnet on the back, a place for coal, and the other side looks exactly the same. So now, let's go ahead and see him on the tracks. Here we go, Thomas. I think that's good, Thomas. Wow, that was so much fun, Thomas. I hope I can have just as much fun with the next friend we get to play with, too. Well, I have to say bye for now, Thomas, so bye. Thanks for watching. Now, you can watch another one of my Thomas and Friend videos, or one of my other friends' videos. Our pictures are always in the corner like these 4 examples. And please, don't forget to subscribe.